Welcome to St. Thomas. Local time is 1:31 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened. Carry items stored until the captain has turned off the
That's the
seatbelt
end of the
sign.
runway.
Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may shift.
These people are driving on the
Boarding
wrong
planes,
side of the
be sure to
road.
check around your seats. Please check in your seat pockets. Make sure you have all the personal belongings. As we reach our gate, we invite you to use the Flight Delta app for important baggage and connection information. On behalf of Delta and its Atlanta-based crew, thank you again for sharing your journey with us. We enjoy having you on board. Look forward to service soon. Thank you. Welcome to St. Thomas.
So.